Step into a presentation session and you stare at the slide behind the presenter. What do you see? Oh, maybe I should use a different scenario. Most presentation that we attend today is virtual. So, when you join a Zoom meeting and stare at the slide on the shared screen, what do you see? Do you see lots of information or something simpler like an image or a few big words? In this video, I'm going to talk about keywords and how we can use them to present better. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Sticky Presentations inspired by Sticky Spy, bringing you tips, ideas, design for better presentation, turning your ideas into lasting impressions. Hey again, this is Tiantek from Sticky Spy. Keywords are very powerful when used correctly as substitutes for long sentences on presentation slides. Long sentences make slides messy and difficult to understand. As far as possible, we want to reduce those lengthy sentences to something shorter. We can do that by rephrasing long sentences. There are generally 5 different ways to arrange keywords on your presentation slides. The first, and it's the easiest way, is to present keywords right in the center of your slide. This is also the most straightforward and clearest way to show your keywords on a single slide. Sometimes we encounter difficulty in deciding what keywords to use for the content in question. This happens when we are emotionally connected to the details and couldn't let go certain content, even though they are not quite relevant to the presentation objective. Using keyword doesn't mean we can only have one word. Actually, it can have a few words or sometimes a short phrase. If you are still watching, how about giving this video a like? And remember to subscribe to this channel for future videos. So to get from the lengthy sentences to keywords, we use the elimination strategy. We start by defining the purpose of why we need to present the information in question, and then strike off anything from it that doesn't really meet the purpose. We repeat until we eliminated all the irrelevant content, and then decide what and how to work with the remaining content that is highly relevant to the purpose. From here on, we can either use them as keywords or rephrase them to form higher impact alternative phrase that represents similar meaning. This will be repeated for all the other groups or segments of content for the rest of the slides in the presentation. Using keywords is a good practice to ensure slide content is simple and easy to understand, and will also keep the presenter focused on one message or one idea at a time. Of course, we sometimes have more than one idea to show, and that's alright. As far as possible, we try not to present too many ideas at one go. Here are some examples of real presentation slides that uses just keywords, and they can still look interesting. The important thing is that they will guide the presenter to be more focused and stay on topic in every slide that he shows. Have you used keyword in your slides? Tell us your experience in the comments below. Until my next video, try using keywords or shorter phrase in your presentation slide the next time you design your presentation, and see if it will guide you to present better.